So after 14 years, my PelPro Pellet stove finally died. This is the stove I use to heat our studio. We do some of our filming and editing, stuff like that. So I get a whole bunch of parts laid out. I tried to rig this thing all together. The problem is the stove is so old. I bought it in like 2006, and I think the motor finally went in it in the auger. And it's a PelPro stove. I bought it at Walmart of all places years ago. The thing's been a tank. It's been pretty good, and I feel like I blew the motor in my car. There's like parts all over the place. The auger looks like a camshaft. So I messed around with it a bit with some new parts that I ordered from PelPro, but it just wasn't happening. So I think I'm out of luck with this. So the search is going to be on for a new stove to heat our studio up. And hey, let us know what kind of stoves you guys like out there. Definitely leave a comment and let us know, what you have had good experiences with and stuff like that. And I'll check them out. And who knows what we might end up with. But this one ended up being a good one. I had a really long time, and when it died, the thing just died on me. Like I said, it's so old I can't find no parts for it. But thanks for watching the channel, guys, and I'll keep you guys updated on how this turns out. Take care.